Hey, this is David, and today I am going to show you how to install an image viewer in VPS. So let's start. Go to Chrome and search for Faststone Image Viewer. Click on it. In Products you can see Faststone Image Viewer is available. Now click on the download button. Choose the portable version. Click here to download the setup file. Once the download is complete, open the folder and you will find FS Viewer Setup 77 feet. Double-click on it and run this file to start the Faststone Image Viewer. Go to Next. And here you get the license agreement. Click on Agree, and now simply install it. You can see the installation successfully completed. Close this, and close all the tabs. Now double-click on this icon. Faststone Image Viewer is open. You can now use this software. I have already downloaded some pictures, like here you can see them as a thumbnail. And by double-clicking on it, you can view the image in full screen mode. And that's it. Now you know how to install an image viewer. The reason for installing an image viewer is that, in the Windows server, no image viewer is installed by default. I hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to ask any question in the comment section.